Good morning, friends. How are you? I'm a little disturbed by how yellow this energy drink is, but that's what I'm having first thing this morning after I got the kids off to school. So I thought I would do a what I eat in a day. I am down 23 pounds on semaglutide in about 3 months, so I'm super excited about that. What are you doing? You were already fed. Anyway, let's do a what I eat in a day. I'm really trying consciously to get more nutrition and protein in because I've been finding it hard to even eat sometimes like 12 or 1300 calories a day. So my goal this week is to really pay more attention to what I am eating and make sure I'm getting most of those nutrients in. Okay, so it's about 10 o'clock and it's time for breakfast. Let me show you what I'm gonna throw together quick. So I took a handful of these potato crowns and just threw them in the air fryer. They're not super crispy yet, but they're mostly cooked through. I have some pico, some eggs, some tortillas, and shredded cheese. We're gonna make a little breakfast taco situation. What are you? You are like so needy today. I know, it's terrible, isn't it? All right, I'm just gonna do 2 eggs because these tortillas are small and I have potatoes also. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Heat these up. I've got a little nonstick skillet here with a pat of butter in there. I'm gonna add my tater rounds. I like to like get these crunchy just a little bit before I add the eggs. So I'm just gonna kind of chop these up a little bit. All right, I'm gonna add my eggs to the middle and just scramble those up. Okay, so that amount of potatoes and eggs was a bit too much for these small tortillas, so I just added the rest of the eggs to the side. Put some cheese on there. I did warm up my tortillas in a dry skillet just to heat them and crisp them on the outside a little bit. This looks so good. So this pico I showed you guys in a previous video. It was like a $30 dinner video. I can link that down below, but it really does make a difference. Like it just makes food taste so much more fresh. I love it. I don't know if any of you guys are like this with eggs. Like I want to eat eggs because I know that they have protein, but I only like them with other things. So like I don't want to just eat an omelet or a scrambled egg. It has to be with like bread or a tortilla or a potato. Do you know what I mean? Are any of you like that, or just me? Okay, so I just put everything into MyFitnessPal, and for this meal, it has 573 calories and 25 grams of protein. I'm probably not gonna be able to eat all this, but we'll see. So this is how much of my breakfast I ate, about 3/4 of it, I would say. So one thing I've been really struggling with on this semaglutide weight loss journey is getting my water and fluids in, and that's why I'm super excited to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Peak. I have their Radiant Skin Duo and I have been absolutely loving it. All right, so you might be asking, what is Peak's Radiant Skin Duo? Well, it's a revolutionary pairing of 2 science-backed products that enhance your skin and energy from within, and bonus, they're super fun and tasty to drink. I love the Sun Goddess Matcha and BT Fountain combo. It's my ultimate glow up secret. BT Fountain Electrolytes hydrates on a cellular level with clinically proven ceramides to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It helps keep your skin soft, supple, and free from redness. It's also vegan with no added sugar, preservatives, or artificial ingredients. And the Sun Goddess Matcha provides sustained energy without any jitters or caffeine crashes. I love having that in the afternoon. It's also packed with L-theanine for calm focus and powerful EGCG antioxidants to firm and brighten skin. It also helps support your gut health and digestion for clearer skin and less bloating. This is so good and refreshing. It almost tastes like a berry lemonade, the yuzu berry flavor. And it's got calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, phytoceramides, and sodium hyaluronate, which is awesome for your skin. You can be confident that Peak is made with pure premium ingredients for maximum benefits you can feel. They're also globally sourced and rigorously tested for efficacy, purity, and bioavailability. The pre-measured sachets that they have make staying consistent simple. You just dissolve them in hot or cold water, and they're great for me too because I travel so much I can just throw them in my bag. Their Sun Goddess Matcha is quadruple toxin screened, shaded 35% longer, and ceremonial grade with a creamy umami flavor. And the BT Fountain is vegan with no added sugar, no artificial ingredients, just clean, skin hydrating goodness. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I do the cold matcha latte. So I'm just gonna add one of these packets of the Sun Goddess Matcha to about a cup of water. Mix it up. I've got a cup of ice here. I like mine a little bit sweet, so I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of stevia, pour in my matcha, and I'm gonna top it off with some cold almond milk. Let's give it a try. That's the perfect amount of sweetness. I, for a long time, thought that I didn't like matcha, but I actually really do. It's super refreshing as like an alternative to coffee in the afternoon. And the fact that you can just mix up the sachet with either warm or cold water, add whatever milk you want, add sweetener if you want. I've also made these using my milk frother that I have on my coffee bar. Super delicious. You know what's also really good is if you have some vanilla syrup, like syrup that you use for coffee, put that in here. That's really good as well, either sugar-free or regular. If you are ready to transform your routine and stay hydrated, right now you can get 20% off the Radiant Skin Duo. Plus you're gonna get a free starter kit, which includes a rechargeable frother and a glass beaker. The Radiant Skin Duo comes with 28 servings each of Sun Goddess Matcha and BT Fountain. And the free starter kit also includes a rechargeable frother and glass beaker. So head to my exclusive link, peaklife.com/GenC. That's PIQUE life.com/GenC. So don't miss out. Highly recommend. Go down to the description box below and glow into 2025. It's only while supplies last. So make sure you get your starter kit today. Link down below or on the screen right here. Tap. So I have got 15 minutes before my next meeting, which is a 2-hour meeting. So I need to make some lunch so that I will have something to eat while I'm on that call. I've got a cup of buttermilk here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some dressing out of this Laura Scudder's green onion dip mix. I can actually get this on Amazon, or I have to get it on Amazon, but there are some places where they sell this in the regular grocery stores. So I just look online, just Google Laura Scudder's green onion dressing recipe. I've got a little less than a cup of sour cream in here. I'm gonna add a cup of buttermilk and then our packet of dip mix. And then I added a 1/4 cup of mayo. So I'm just gonna whisk this up. Sometimes I like to add a little bit more buttermilk if I think that it needs to be a little bit runnier. And then I'll stick this in the fridge while I make the rest of my food. I'm gonna make a salad, hence the ranch, obviously. But I have these Real Good Foods lightly breaded chicken nuggets in the freezer. These are really good on their own, but they're also really good on top of a salad. So I'm just gonna heat up some of these in the air fryer. I don't know, I make it up because it doesn't have air fryer instructions, but it says 400 for 17 to 20 minutes. So I'll adjust that for the air fryer. We're just gonna do 390 for about 14-15 minutes and that should be good. To top my salad, I went ahead and raided my crisper drawer. I cut up some tomatoes, some cucumbers, some carrots, and also some cheese cubes. And then you want to make sure, well, at least my recommendation is to cook the chicken until it gets super crispy. And then I just put together everything in a bowl. I love topping my salads with sunflower seeds. If you guys haven't tried that, highly recommend it. It's a great alternative to croutons. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and eat this while I go and get on my call. Okay, so I finished my meeting about 15 minutes ago and I ate about 2/3 of that salad. If you guys haven't tried that Real Good Foods chicken, the chicken breast nuggets, They're really good. They taste like real chicken. They don't taste like processed chicken nuggets. I really like them in the air fryer. They're really good with salads, and they're also just good on their own, like dipped in barbecue sauce or honey mustard or whatever. So I am going to have a little snack. I want to eat this yogurt because it's gonna go out of date quickly. This is the wee lemon fruit on the bottom yogurt. I'm gonna wash up some blueberries and have some of this oat and honey clusters granola. This is from Aldi. It's really good if you like granola on your yogurt. Connor's gonna be home from school shortly. Well, actually Connor and Kira both, because they don't have any activities right after school. So I just cut up some apples and some cheese cubes and some pretzels for them. This yogurt doesn't actually have a whole lot of protein, but next time I go to the store, I'll get some that has a higher protein content. You do have to stir this one up because the fruit is on the bottom. Sprinkle some granola, some blueberries on there. If you have not tried the combination of lemon and blueberry, it's very delicious. For dinner tonight, I actually made two things. I made hamburger helper for the kids, and I put together a tater tot casserole for Adam and I. I just browned up 2 pounds of ground beef and then used a pound for each, and we had a ton of leftovers of the tater tot casserole, which is totally fine with me because I'll eat it for lunch for the rest of the week. I don't know what it is about tater tot casserole, but I love it. I love it so much. I don't know if it's just like the nostalgia of it's something that I ate when I was a kid, but if you guys haven't tried my recipe, you gotta try it. It's the best, I promise. Okay, so I went ahead and put all of my calories in and everything for today, so I just wanted to share with you what the end of the day was. Total for food, 1,563 calories. For protein, I had 81 grams of protein, so pretty decent, I would say. Could have done more, but it's a lot better than some days that I have been having. I need to drink a little bit more water. Like, I would like to drink another like 2 cups of water before I go to bed. Milo wakes me up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom. Like, I don't know, he's not a puppy anymore, so I don't think he has to go. I think he gets like hot and restless in the bed, and then he just like paws at me. I'm like, okay, I'll let you out. So if I have to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, it's not a big deal because he's probably gonna wake me up anyway. He doesn't wake me up every night, and actually when I'm gone for work, Adam says most nights he doesn't wake him up. So I think he just does it to me to be a little shit. I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna go upstairs, drink my water, get ready. Well, I already took my shower, but get ready to go to bed soon. So good night. Don't forget to check out Peak and take advantage of this exclusive offer. Go to peaklife.com/GenC. And if you want to see exactly how I make my tater tot casserole, you can click on the video right here.